Now what is done in grouping of data? There is some information given. This information is, for example, there are numbers written here, you can see, and there are total 60 numbers written here, and these are marks obtained by students, and these marks are out of 50. So you have to make group of the information and write the information in the form of a data. So this can be shown like this. Here what is done, a group is made 0 to 10. Now what does it mean 0 to 10? 0 to 10 means all the students who have scored marks between 0 to 10. So tally marks are, we will count how many students have scored from 0 to 10 and put a number here. So 1 means only one child has got these marks between 0 to 10. Now the most different thing here, the most important thing here is that the students who have scored marks between 10 to 20, they are counted as, you are seeing that the information is shown by drawing vertical lines. So when you make 4 vertical lines, 2, 3, 4, it means 4, and when you make a cross it means 5. So in this picture you are seeing that the information is shown in the form of vertical lines. So these vertical lines are called the tally marks, and these tally marks are counted as sets of 5. So here you can see the first set is of 5, this is 5, then another is also 5, so 5 and 5 makes it 10. In the next lot you can see this is 5, another 5, another 5, 5, so 5 into 4 is 20 and 1 is 21. So when you make vertical line 1, 2, 3, 4, after that 5, then we want to write more, then we will write 1 after it, it means 5 and 1, 6. Okay, so this is making a frequency table. Now when we see the table, what do we see in the table? In the table what is seen, that how many numbers are repeating. So the numbers which are repeating, they are counted. Now here there is a group data written. So what do? We see the number is 21. First number is 21, second number is 10. So we will write 21 in the group where it fits. So the number is 21, 10, 30, 22, 33, 5, 37. So when we make a group, like in this group 0 to 10, so first number is 21, so we will see 21 will come in a group of 20 to 30. So we will put one line here, which means 21 is here. Suppose the next number is 11, so 11 will come in this group, so we will make vertical line here. Next number is 45, 45 will come here, so we will make one line. So when the numbers are written, we keep putting the numbers in front of the group, and we put the group and write the numbers so that we can count them easily. Okay, so suppose the number is 31, 31 will come between group of 30 to 40. So we will write numbers one by one and then we count them, and that is called the frequency. The total of all this is written at the bottom, which is called the total, which is given in the question. So you have to tally it, check that the total is correct.